and welcome. It's Margaret Second, and welcome to my video on the beds and bedrooms, my simple Feng Shui wisdom video for today. Now we're concentrating on beds and bedrooms. I know it's a topic that a lot of you are interested in, and I know I did have 2 or 3 videos out there, so this video would support those videos as well as vice versa. Anyway, so I'm just going to touch you. It's like a sort of a reminder on what are the features that you have to look out for when you're buying a bed, or if you're in the process of buying one. Okay, so here we have 2 of the main factors that you have to be looking out for is what we call stability and support. So how do we get stability and support? First, we get the stability by having beds that have solid headboards. Okay, so usually we advise you to get a wooden bed. Of course, then it would come with a wooden headboard. But a headboard similar to this, that's foam padded, could also work well because it's solid and it also gives you the stability that is needed in a bed frame. Okay, so again, what we're looking for here is stability. Okay, so like in this bed that you see here, it's a frame that has the support with the wooden headboard on the back. Okay, now what if you're looking at a metal bed? Some of the metal bed with metal bed frames out there could look similar to this. As you can see, it doesn't really give you a lot of stability or even support at the back when you're sleeping. And what your objective here when you go to sleep is, of course, to get a good night's sleep, a restful, peaceful sleep. Okay, so if you're looking at this, maybe you might want to scratch it and go for something more of, with the stability, a solid headboard. And the other consideration that we have to look for in a bed and in the bedroom is, of course, being able to put your bed onto a solid wall. So this will give you the support that is needed when you go to sleep. Okay, so as you can see here, this have a solid headboard, as well as it's backing onto a solid wall. Okay, so that's another feature or important factor that you have to be aware of, and when you're out there buying your next bed. Now, what if you have circumstances such as this? I know a lot of you have actually written to me, even mapping out your room layout, and some of you have a dilemma of where to put your bed. I know that it's we only have 4 walls in a bedroom, and sometimes our bedroom can be tiny, so it's really challenging, as well as the fact that some of you might also have master ensuite in your master bedroom, so that will also be another challenge, because definitely one of the wall of your bedroom will be where the door to the ensuite is going to be located. Then there's, of course, the other wall where your bedroom door is going to be located, unless the ensuite and the door shares the same wall. But then sometimes we don't have that, so we also have a room that might have 2 walls that has windows instead of just 1 wall that has windows. So basically sometimes you're left with just 1 wall, or basically all your walls have a problem or a challenge in it. Like there might be a window in 1 wall, the door to the ensuite another door, a door to the bedroom on another wall, and then maybe a wall that's adjoining a stairway or the bathroom. So it can be really, really challenging. I know that, but let's work with the best solution that we can get. When you're faced with these kind of challenges, and nothing can be perfect, but there are remedies that you can actually do for this type of situation. Now let's go back to that room wherein you have that window. Okay, so as you can see here, this bed has a solid headboard. Okay, and the thing is, like, it doesn't have, this has a solid, but it's backing onto this particular windows here. Okay, so what to do? Sometimes we can work out the solution by having by looking at these two other walls and seeing if there's not if it's solid enough. We can actually move the bed and align it with this with the headboard with this other wall or this other wall, so depending on which wall is more suitable. But if you have a situation like this and you have the ability to renovate, or you have enough wall space, let's say you have a bigger room than this, then one of the solution might be just doing something similar to this room here, wherein you have a solid wall behind your bed and the two other windows on the side. Okay, it doesn't have to be this big size window. Some windows can be just half the size of this window. Okay, so this could be an alternate solution if you're faced with that kind of challenge. But like I said, not all of us to have a big size master bedroom wherein we can actually do something like similar to what is in this slide, okay, in this photo. So again, when you see bedrooms such as this, what do you see here? You do have a solid wall, but what you have here that is lacking is the headboard. Okay, so there's really no support here, with the for you when you go to bed, when you want to get a good night's rest. Okay, so again, two of the most important factors when you're trying to get a bed, what is a feature that you would like to see in a bed is like, you would like it to give you the stability and the support, as well as when you're placing your bed in your bedroom, you would also like to be able to place it in such a position where it's supportive of you, and and there's stability, and you do have such a thing. I mean, like, I did touch on the form and formula Feng Shui, so go back to all this my other videos on this, and in terms of positioning the bed as well. Now I have this is just a short video on this two factors, but I would also like to share with you other factors, such as the another type of bed that we actually see out there is what we call the bunk bed. So the bunk bed has its ups and has its plus and cons. So I mean, I also want to also touch on the fact that qi circulation is a very important factor in our bedrooms. So maybe in my next video I'll be able to touch on that, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, and please hit on the bell notification so that you get instant notification of my next upcoming video. And I also would like to give you a scoop that because of all the emails and letters that I'm getting from you guys, I know some of you have been asking me about diets, food to help, particularly with the eye problems. I know I have a video out there about eye floaters. So I hope that video has been very helpful for you guys, because it does help me in my with my eye vision challenges. So I will be coming out with some series of videos that will touch on herbs and food, and hopefully this video will give you some ideas on what kind of food or diet or that you could actually have in your daily dinner, supper, lunch, daily diet, to actually help you with accomplishing what you want to do, and which is having a healthy lifestyle and living healthy. So this short videos I will be coming out soon, and I hope you stay tuned and you subscribe so that you'll get instant notification on that. I also know that you guys have actually sent me layouts of room layouts, and so I would encourage you to just how do you call this, watch my videos and get some of the more information there. I will not be able to entertain all the emails and the letters that I get. If you do want a private consultation, of course, that can be facilitated. Okay, and just write me, if you do want to have a private consultation on that. Okay, and because of the fact that each household is unique, each house is unique, then of course the consultation will be based on what you are finding challenging at this point in time in your life. Okay, so anyway, I hope this video about beds and bedrooms is going to be helpful for you when you're out there trying to find the right type of bed. There are of course other features to consider, and maybe in my next videos I will touch on the bunk beds. I might even touch on the tatami beds. Anyway, so all about chi circulation. Okay, so it's Margaret Seconded saying bye bye for now, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.